Welcome to Traveling Bits. This is Jade.
Hi, I'm Tanushree, and today we are going to cover this Eco Park.
Alright, so let's go inside and we will see more. Eco Park is the largest park in India with 480 acres in area and 104 acres of water body. It was inaugurated by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on 29th December 2012. Okay, Tanushree, tell me how much the ticket cost for this?
The ticket is very minimum. It's only 30 rupees.
Okay.
And I think that it can't be much budget friendly for anyone to afford. So I think it's a very good price.
Alright, so in front of me I'm seeing that there is a lake.
Yeah.
And let's check that out. It is located in New Town, Rajarhat, and about 10 kilometers from Kolkata International Airport. So on the other side we can see, there's one island which seems to be a private property.
Yeah.
And I was told that one can go there. So Tanushree, can you tell more about it?
Yeah, it is that Ekant, it's known as Ekant, I'm not remembering the name, Ekant something. So it's a private banquet kind of thing. People hire it for sometimes for any kind of marriage party or any kind of normal parties, also get together or something. And they provide this room with food and everything. And the best part is that to go there, you have to use a boat.
Okay.
So you can just take the boat from here, then all the way through this, you can go and reach over there. So with your friends and all, then you can have a very good time over there.
Alright, so we see something kind of a dome on the other side. Is it the Science City?
It's not the Science City actually. It is in the work is in progress actually. There.
What is that?
It is something related to science. It's not revealed yet.
Okay.
Actually, from last 1.5 years, I'm seeing the same thing. The work is in progress.
Okay.
So it's not yet complete.
In terms of that 7 wonders.
Yeah, so actually all the 7 wonders are present over there. So this is the most point of attraction of this park, which is different from any other park, because this is not just a park. It has many other things, such as you can see this lake with that Eiffel Tower. When 7 wonders are over there, so that is the most point of attraction, which attracts most of the people over here. So it's the best part of this park.
The park is surrounded by Kolkata Museum of Modern Arts, the upcoming Central Business District and International Financial Hub, the Kolkata International Convention Centre, Hitco Bhavan and Ravindra Tirtha. The morning walk timings are 5:30 am to 8:30 am. Monthly entry fee for morning walk is 750 rupees, and if you pay yearly it is 8,250 rupees. Ample parking is available with 3 parking lots. Rupees 50 for 4-wheeler, rupees 20 for 2-wheeler and rupees 100 per bus. So Tanushree, I see some wasting over here. So what are those good hotels or stuffs nearby to this place?
Yeah, actually this is mainly the IT hub of Kolkata actually.
Okay.
So this Eco Park is placed near New Town,
Right.
which is the IT hub. So basically you can see many offices overall over here. So these are the offices. That is the wax museum over there, Mother's Wax. So this is the Mother Wax Museum, and there's a subway in front of the entry gate of this Eco Park. You have a subway, so through that you will directly go to that Mother's Wax Museum.
Okay. The park remains closed on Mondays. Tuesday to Saturday it's 12 noon to 7:30 p.m. and Sundays and holidays it's 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m.
what time is good for coming to this place?
See, that depends on the weather, of course, because this is a very open place. So nowadays, like from December in Kolkata, December is the month. This is meant for picnic. So yeah, you can see also public everywhere.
Okay, so I see pretty much green ground as well. If people come here, they may play. So let me ask, Tanushree, are people allowed to play over here?
Yeah, people, children, they're allowed to play. If you can come here for morning walks also. or
Okay.
running. Morning time, actually now they have closed
Mhm.
because the starting time is from 12.
Okay.
But earlier it was like opening time was from I guess 6 or 6:30.
From the morning?
Yeah, from the morning.
Okay.
So like people used to come here for running and jogging.
Okay, so this part is closed over here. You can't go any further. But it's an interesting view from this side. So have you tried sports over here?
No, I have not tried it yet. But yeah, it seems very interesting. But I've not tried that one. Like,
So it's like a pinball, right?
yeah, it is.
So you have this jet ski and all this here?
Yeah, everything is allowed over here.
Okay.
This park is a full package. Like you can come with your children, with family, with friends, and have a good time over here. Like you can celebrate your special days also over here.
Okay. So guys, I see here the cycles over there, and I saw quite a few people, cycling.
Yeah.
I think they are for a paid fees, right?
Yes, they are paid, and you can just roam around this beautiful park with all those greeneries.
Okay. So Tanushree, one of the things people do when they come to this kind of open parks and all that is food.
Yeah, food.
So what options they have when it comes to food?
Yeah, they have plenty of options over there. Like basically they cover the snacks portion. So you can see over here also there's a food cafe, and rather than this there are more 3 or 4 outlets in the park.
Okay.
So they provide with burgers, hot dogs, momos. Even the Wow Momo outlet is also over there, that section. And with all kind of drinks are available over here. I mean, not alcohol.
Okay.
But yeah, with your like soft drinks and everything is over here. So you can just
So I'm asking Tanushree, you want to go swimming over here?
yeah, of course. I would love to, but I don't know swimming.
So we're going towards the 7 wonders, what they have created here in Eco Park. And let's see how far would that be, Tanushree?
It's not that far. We have almost reached over there. You can see the Eiffel Tower from here only. So it's just nearby. We are about to reach.
Okay guys, take a look from here. You can see the view even better. Let me show you a pan view of entire Eco Park lake. So there is a wax museum You can see wax statues of important personalities, and it's awesome, looking awesome from here. It's a complete pano view. We almost came from that corner, and here there is a small island. It seems to be a private property. Tanushree, can people stay over there?
Yeah, we can stay over there. You have to book the rooms, you have to book the cottage, and then you can stay over there for 2 days, 3 days, as many as you want.
Okay.
We are now going to the Japanese garden, and we are going to show you that in the second part. Let us know how did you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel Traveling Bits and click on the bell icon for regular updates. Please support Traveling Bits by sharing your comments and likes. We would see you again in the second part.